for the installation of base 2, also called as the E956. The lock door cutting should be like this as per the template. Just the top one and the bottom one. And again, for the mortise, the cutting is very easy. It is just this cutting is required. So this is the only thing that is required on the door cutting. Much easier than the regular hotel locks. And when you unpack, you will be getting this front panel. Then you have the back panel. Then you have the spindles. And you have this single latch mortise. So now we'll tell you how to fix the lock. First, you have to fix the single latch. Now you have to check whether it is left or right. So for left lock and right lock it is different. Now this is right lock. So for the right lock, the spindle will be, the latch should be like this, tapering. Put that, then you can screw it to the wood. Next, you have to keep the spindle. The spindle, you can see this spindle. This is the portion which should go into that latch. Like this. After that, take the front panel and adjust the spindle to that. Put this wire inside the hole. It should come the other side. To the back side of the door. And in this back panel, you have to separate the panel and that battery holder plate. Fix the wire. There are two wires. You can't make a mistake. It will, the sizes are in such a way that you have to. You can only fit it to that particular opposite terminal. One will go for the PCB, the other will go for the battery. Push the wire inside the frame, door frame, very carefully so that it doesn't get jammed, otherwise it will get cut. Tighten it properly so that it does not shake. Put the batteries as per the directions indicated, positive and negative. put the spindle. Then you can fix the back panel. The smaller screw comes to the base. And the longer screw comes on top. Tighten it and fix the battery. So the battery can be easily removed. Tomorrow if you have to change the batteries, only one screw from top has to be removed. The whole battery compartment will come out. This the installation is complete. This is good like this. So now you can program the locks with your card and the lock will open.